Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to grab. So for example, I will create for data. So in I will set into name and the other column I will set into value. I will set in here 500, 300 and then 200. For the names, you can set in niche, Dominic and you. Now you can sort this data and then go to insert, click on chart. So will be show for the basic or default graph. You can change in it, chart or graph. You can set like into this line option, area, column, bar, pie, scatter, map, or others in it. So like I will set into column. For column, you can change again into another option. Like I will set into this area. And to change the value names, you can double click in here. And then you also can double click in the bottom here. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to grab. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.